All right, we're going this way across. Central Park. We made it. Wow. Look at that. Pardon?
How much that cost? Just that?
I ain't got a clue. That's solid.
No, as you look at the cemetery, it's all the time.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah,
I ain't got a clue what's the point of it.
It's on a big advert, isn't it?
And basically,
It made us talk about the brand, didn't it? Oh, look at the window.
Yeah.
for my family, for him, for my mom, and for him too, because I already didn't have a car.
Oh yeah. Sound like Sue there for a moment. Let's go. I sound like Sue for a moment. Oh yeah. This is the Apple store. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Oh god damn it. Wow, let's check it out. Come on.
So many smells.
Oh yeah, for once they ain't burnt ones.
Yeah. Oh, it's massive down there. Look.
Oh yeah, it is ginormous. Want to go and check it out?
It's huge.
Yeah, you come on, we can go and check it out.
But you can see down there, all the people down there. Look.
Yeah, it's crazy. Come on, let's go down to the Apple store. This is their flagship store, I believe.
Is it really?
Oh, this is where Home Alone was.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Plaza. Yes, it is.
Donald Trump sold it and it was renamed to the Plaza. Wow, it's amazing. Big enough for you? Yeah, people are actively avoiding it. Look at the size of the touchpad.
Massive.
Yeah, bigger than my phone. Put the flip case open.
Ja, mycket är det. Ja, 2 years coverage.
You can come down here just charging our phones out.
Absolutely.
My name is Andrew. I'm here for the next 15 minutes to share with you some of my favorite features within an umbrella of features that we've recently released called Apple.
You had enough at the Apple Store?
So if you'd like to explore these Apple Intelligence features,
Well, let's get going to Central Park and see how far we can get.
New cars.
Not at all. Hey Zoe, you want to take this elevator?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm tired.
Should find a subway station and go back.
Check in to pick up an order.
Ah, that means you paid for it already?
Yes, all paid.
You have your coupon and all of that, right?
Really?
Hey, look, we're in Star Trek. Oh, that's amazing. Hmm? Look at that. Do you think Coney will introduce this to all the elevators?
What, a light under the floor?
Yeah.
But isn't one in the ceiling enough?
No.
Right.
I mean, a glass ceiling in all elevators.
It's only good if you're going up into...
Not good enough.
Okay.
Mirrors.
I'll feedback.
Mirrors. Like a periscope in a submarine.
Radio, Charlie.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna find a subway station, right?
Sorry, I just had...
Should you put one foot into Central Park?
Of course. Of course.
One foot.
One foot. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm sorry, it's just like starting to hurt.
You're back. Yeah, alrighty.
Sorry.
So that's alright. I'm gonna go walk along the beachfront on my own. No, thank you. That's a wreck, and we need to go that way anyhow to get to a...
This guy wants to just run its own.
Nah, no, he ain't gonna do that. It's one way to visit a jail.
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, they come this way. This way, this way, this way. There you go. We're in Central Park. Look at at that. We made it. No, thank you. We made it. Look at that. Nice. Traffic enforcers. All right. There's a proper Central Park. 1 foot in, then we go.
Yep.
I was very disappointed when I figured out it wasn't a Trump Plaza no more.
There's the oil in the ground.
Yeah, I have a pretty good idea where it comes from.
That machine. This shit, that's kicking out.
Yeah, gonna maybe not breathe when you walk past there.
I know, that's that.
Let's go. Right. Here we go. Look.
Oh yeah, see. We'll have to come back.
Oh, we are gonna come back. We're not gonna. We're good.
I'm not gonna miss it.
What part?
No.
Nearly killed my dad last time I was here. So it's time for you to suffer. Suffer.
Supper. Motherfucker.
Alrighty. I know, some people say this leak hustle thing is kind of pretty. Yeah, it's gonna be really snowy tonight. Not sure when Dad's gonna get to us. Wow, maybe not.
Only that one.
Yeah, it goes that way though. Bums. Get Central Park.
Maybe. Extreme close up. Good subway station, see?
Yeah. R. This is what we need. R. R.
It's is it freezer?
Resort. Alright, we walked 6 miles thus far. That's pretty good, I reckon.
It's not bad. It's a bit windy, actually.
Pardon?
A bit wimpy, but
Yeah,
my
but
back's got cold. I've been using the jacket on. It keeps my back warm.
you could have probably lost a few more miles if you did.
The temperature dropped.
Yeah, we can go back and get it if you wish. But I think we'll see how it goes, alright? If you're up to it, we can hit the beachfront again and walk.